Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. You know, there's nothing that is disturbing as seeing someone who's expecting Muti to do everything for them. Gogo, I've been using a treatment for so much for a month. Others are very ambitious. I've been using a treatment for a month. I haven't seen the difference. Gogo, I've been using a treatment for 3 months, or you said I must use it for 3 months at least and see what is happening and let you know. I haven't seen the difference. Things are getting worse, whatever. The question I will ask Uguti, before and during and after using Umuti, what life changes have you done for yourself? What have you done when again? I see, I hear you, you've used Umuti, and the reason you are giving me the results, Uguti, things are still quiet. It's because of you paid. That's why you are letting me know. If you didn't pay, you were going to be patient enough. Who said Muti, because you've paid for it, it will change your lifestyle? What lifestyle have you changed? What habits have you changed? What is the wrong thing that you normally do have you changed? What have you changed? Wena mselufu. Wena nje on your own, what have you changed? What have you done towards assisting Umuti? I don't know, guys. It's just a question. Maybe we should do a video about this, in telling people what to do before and during, after using Muti. What must happen before, during, and after using Umuti? What? There's no Muti that will change your habits. There's no Muti that will make you not to take money and go and drink it with girls and boyfriends and people who don't care about you. There's no Muti that will do that. There's no Muti that will change your attitude. There's no Muti that fuels individual. Uguti, this Muti will make you to stand up and go and work hard. There's no Muti that will make you to be disciplined, to be disciplined. There's no Muti that can do that. Guys, there's a lot of things that Muti doesn't do that requires you to do, requires you to change. There's no Muti that changes the attitude from negative to positive.